Let's dive into 7 superfoods that can transform your health. First up, kale. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K, plus antioxidants that fight inflammation. Next, we have quinoa, a complete protein packed with all 9 essential amino acids, making it perfect for plant-based diets. Then there's blueberries, tiny but mighty, loaded with antioxidants that boost brain health and improve memory. Don't forget about salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health. Avocados are next, providing healthy fats that keep you full and support skin health. Chia seeds are little nutritional bombs, high in fiber and omega-3s, perfect for smoothies or puddings. Finally, sweet potatoes, a delicious source of complex carbs and beta-carotene, which promotes eye health. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can elevate your wellness game.